Hello to my patients and future patients. My name is Dr. Michael Pinell, founder of the Medical Aesthetic Center on beautiful St. Simon Island, Georgia. My Medical Aesthetic Center was voted the #1 medical aesthetic practice on St. Simon's Island by its residents and tourists in 2013. I'm an American board-certified physician who has made multiple YouTube videos explaining the many different procedures that are done at my Medical Aesthetic Center. I'm making this YouTube video for you so you will know all the current prices, packages, and programs that are offered at my Medical Aesthetic Center effective December 1st, 2013. My Medical Aesthetic Center accepts major credit cards, care credit if pre-approved, cash or local check if paid at the time of the scheduled appointment. I'm hoping to create a trusting relationship with you by providing you this additional pricing information. My goal for all my patients is to improve their youthful appearance in a very natural way while improving their overall quality of all aspects of my patients' lives. Here are the prices that I charge for my services to you. First, it's very important to realize that there's proper sequencing of procedures, since lasers can destroy hyaluronic acid fillers. Here is my recommended order for doing the procedures. First, laser. Second, microneedling. Third, vampire procedure. Fourth, Botox. And fifth, the vampire coffin or hyperbaric oxygen. For the laser treatments, we offer an EMAX sublative laser. The cost per treatment is $750, and it's recommended that you get 3 of them 1 month apart. The EMAX photofacial with the SRA head is $350, and you would need 1 to 2 of those treatments in a year at most to clear up most of any sun-damaged skin spots. The EMAX of the SRA, using it on your hands to get rid of sun-damaged spots or lesions, is only $150, and you may need 1 to 2 treatments max. The EMAX décolleté of the chest to get rid of the sun-damaged spots is $300, and you may need 1 to 2 treatments as well. The EMAX skin tightening with the ST head and wrinkle reduction with the Matrix IR head costs $600 with 3 treatments recommended 1 month apart. The EMAX Trinity facial is a combination of the SRA, the ST, and the IR heads. That treatment takes about an hour and a half to do and costs $950, recommending to have 3 treatments 1 month apart for maximum benefit. The EMAX hair removal laser, which is the DSL head, on a woman's face, it costs $200, will require 1 to 5 treatments. Depending on the darker hair, it usually only takes 1 to 2 treatments, and very light or gray hair may take 5 to 6 treatments at most. For the hair removal of a man's face, it is $300, and they will need 1 to 5 treatments as well, depending on their beard and the color of the beard. For the arms, it is $400 for both arms, and for both lower legs, it's $500. And for the total leg, for the thigh as well as the lower leg together, it is $600. To do the back is $600, and for the chest is $600. Any laser procedure may be enhanced by adding the vampire coffin, which is the hyperbaric oxygen, for an additional $300. Also, you can add platelet-rich fibrin matrix for $500 to that treatment. The vampire microneedling is done with an MD pen to the facial area. If you're using the platelet-rich fibrin matrix, it costs $800 and would be recommended to have 2 of those per year. And the MD pen just with the facial alone is $300. If you just do the hands, it is $150 for both hands, and for the neck, it's $250, and for the chest, it's $300. Any of the vampire microneedling may be enhanced also by getting in the vampire coffin with the hyperbaric oxygen for an additional $300, and as I stated before, if you add the platelet-rich fibrin matrix to any of the procedures, it is an additional $500. Also, our medical esthetician is someone that will do an oxygen and mineral facial for $200, and it's recommended to get 2 to 3 of those per year to enhance your beauty, as well as we offer the perfect peel facial that is $350 per treatment and recommended to have 3 of those per year. The vampire procedures, the vampire facelift baseline is $1,900, recommended 1 per year, and what is in that is 4 to 5 cc's of platelet-rich fibrin matrix and 1 syringe of hyaluronic acid filler. A vampire facelift enhanced is $2,900, but it has twice as much product with the fibrin matrix and the hyaluronic acid. You have 8 to 10 cc's of platelet-rich fibrin matrix and 2 syringes of the hyaluronic acid filler. And the ultimate vampire facelift is $3,900 and has the enhanced treatment that I just described with microneedling at the beginning, Botox at the end of the treatment, and the very end they get in the vampire coffin with a hyperbaric oxygen treatment. A vampire breast lift is $1,900. The O-shot is $1,900, and it's recommended to get the first one, since it lasts for at least 8 months. It can be markedly enhanced if you get a second shot in 8 weeks, or you can wait 8 months and get your second shot at that point. The Priapus shot with a deluxe penile hand pump included is $2,100, and you would get 1 of those per year, and it will last 1 to 2 years. If you get it with the electric penile pump, it's $2,300. The vampire scar repair, if you have greater than 10 scars, like acne scars, it's $1,900. If you have 1 large scar greater than ½ inch in diameter, it's $1,500. And if you have less than 10 acne scars, it's $1,500. The vampire hair regrowth, for a woman, 1 treatment, it is $1,500, recommending to get 1 to possibly 2 of those per year. And for a man, they need 2 treatments, both at $1,500, 8 weeks apart. Next is our Botox injections. For Botox, if you do 1 area, it's $300. It will last for 4 months to up to 6 months. If you go with 2 areas, it's $500. 3 areas is $700. 4 areas is $800, and 5 areas is $900. The areas are the forehead, between the eyebrows, the crow's feet, the lips, the upper eyelids, giving an upper eyelid lift. Hyaluronic acid filler injections are $750 per syringe, and they are used in the nasolabial folds, the marionette lines, the upper and lower lips, both temple areas, and between the eyebrows. The vampire coffin, the aesthetic hyperbaric oxygen treatment. If it is for 1 hour post-treatment, it is $300, and it's recommended to get 1 to 3 of those treatments. If you are trying to heal a very stubborn wound, the hyperbaric oxygen treatment needs to be for 2 hours, and it is $200 per treatment, and it's recommended that it will take 5 to up to 20 treatments to heal most of the chronic wounds. Next, I'd like to talk about one of our programs, which is our anti-aging membership program that is $6,000 per year. This includes 12 one-hour hyperbaric oxygen treatments and 12 modified Meyer cocktails that's a nutritional IV with 30 grams of vitamin C, all your B vitamins and minerals, and 1 photofacial treatment or 1 skin tightening treatment, one or the other. This package saves you well over $1,000, and the hyperbaric oxygen treatment, my vampire's coffin treatment, and the modified Meyer's cocktail should be done about once per month for optimal effectiveness. The therapeutic and nutritional IV treatments that we have, intravenous treatments, is modified Meyer's cocktails at $250 per treatment once per month. Hydrogen peroxide at $200 to resist viral, bacterial, and fungal infections. particularly the anaerobic infections, it has been shown to be very effective. Glutathione is $100 cost per treatment, and it is given by a IV push. It is one of your strongest antioxidants that's produced by the liver. And DMSO, which is dimethyl sulfoxyl, is a strong anti-arthritic agent, is also $100 per treatment. And for chelation, for heavy metal toxicity, and that's to remove arsenic, mercury, lead, and cadmium, as heavy metal toxicity requires 10 treatments using sodium EDTA, and the cost for those 10 treatments is $2,500. Also, we offer, for some patients that are interested, a very high dose vitamin C of 75 grams for $2,500 to give them 10 treatments over a 3-week period of time. For our bioidentical hormone consultation, the initial consultation is $350 and our follow-up consultations are $200, and that does not include lab testing. That we will use one of the ZRT labs to do saliva testing on this. And that generally costs the patient approximately $150. Thank you for the time you spent watching this YouTube video that has explained the packages, prices, and programs offered at my Medical Aesthetic Center on beautiful St. Simons Island. Thank you again.